Users now block the internet connection for separate application for Windows, any Windows versions. I mean Windows, especially Windows 10 and 11, effectively, which means that entire block internet connection, the application goes offline and then use effectively for some specific considerations. Your internet usage can enter block and safely offline. You could work in your PC or your laptop in Windows operating system. Well, so let me explain how to done this. Okay. Now let's open Windows Firewall Defender firewall with advanced security. Open it. Now tap advanced settings. So these are the Windows network security panel. Wait a minute. So among the top left side contain 4 types of settings: inbound, outbound rule, and connection security and monitoring. So you click the outbound rule which means the application uses the internet via the software and the kernel mode. So these are the specific visibility settings in your Windows panel, which means Windows Defender will monitor the entire network for each applications. So you click make a new rule, tap new rule. So another window open. So you click the custom program and click the program path, which means the program specifying path you need. Wait a minute. So I get this. Click the start button. Wait a minute. I click for example the any type of one software. Open file location. Where is view button? Click the icons. Okay. So I have 3 specific software. I need to block the entire network connection on Windows operating system, which means I use Windows 11. So right click and copy this path. So now paste it. So among those location, you need to backspace in their applications, the end and the first of the quotation marks. So I'll remove it. So before you will click the next button, you must do it for the quotation mark and then click the next. So these are the application destination folder in your local disk PC in Windows. So what is the title? Block the connection, block the internet connection and finish. So there are 3 types of network sockets are there: private, domain and public. So those 3 are also selected. So unclick the next button. So what do you specify a custom name for your application software? So I will make the custom name. What I am doing about this? Wait a minute. And the description is also optional. It is not a necessary one. So after finish, you see the red circle, the mark with the strike. So these are the network location block, which means you need to you would no more access the internet for these applications. So this method will save many type of application software for each specific application considerations. So you need to no more issues after doing this method, using this method. So your application will save from internet entirely in your PC and working effectively. So just I demonstrate, I will reconnect the internet, Wi-Fi connection in my PC, and then open the specific again the software. What I am blocking the software and isolated the software entirely from the internet. It's okay. You need to feel peace for your application while using both Wi-Fi and the internet connections. Okay. That's now done successfully. So you need to restart your PC after that. So I just installed a few seconds ago. Okay. Now I am opening and editing and drawing this and gestures I'm making the software in front of your screen. Okay. This method is now working effectively, correctly. Okay.